Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water level pressure switch in a Whirlpool washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water level pressure switch. The water level pressure switch is located on the right side under the top cover panel. It controls the amount of water that enters the washer. If your washer is not getting any water, overflows, or the water level is incorrect, check the water level pressure switch and replace it if needed. Now we're at the back of the washer and we're going to remove the top. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver and I'm going to take out 3 screws. Next, I'm going to push the top back a little bit and lift it off. So this is that part that we need to replace. It's a water level pressure switch. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver and slightly pull this out. I'm going to press on this tab, pull it out, and I'm going to insert the screwdriver on the other side and push that tab in, and we can remove this switch. So next thing, we need to remove this air hose from the switch. I'm going to turn it a little bit around and pull it off at the same time. And now I'm going to press on this locking tab and I'm going to disconnect this plug. This is the old water level pressure switch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Next, we're going to install the new water level pressure switch, and we're going to do that plug first. Make sure it's locked. I'm going to install the air hose. Press it on. Then I'm going to turn it and press it into the cutout. So I'm going to lock it in. Alright, now I'm going to install the top panel. Place it about an inch, a little less than an inch away from the control panel. And pull it forward. Then we're going to install the 3 1/4-inch screws at the back using the 1/4-inch nut driver. Alright, I'm going to push it down so we'll install the screw. Turn on the water, plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly and there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.